Hostinger has built a reputation as one of the most affordable hosting providers on the market. But in 2026, the real question is this: is Hostinger still just a budget option, or has it become a serious hosting platform you can rely on long-term? In this review, we'll take a realistic look at Hostinger's performance, features, and overall value to see who it's actually best for. If you want to check the current price later, I've placed a discounted Hostinger link in the description and in the pinned comment. For now, let's focus on the hosting itself. One of Hostinger's biggest strengths is performance for the price. Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers, which help websites load quickly and stay responsive, even on lower tier plans. For blogs, small business websites, portfolios, and WordPress sites, speeds are more than good enough for everyday use. Another area where Hostinger really shines is ease of use. The control panel is modern, clean, and designed for beginners. Setting up a website, installing WordPress, managing domains, or creating email accounts takes just a few clicks. No technical experience required. Despite its low pricing, Hostinger doesn't feel stripped down. You get free SSL solid uptime automatic backups on higher plans, and customer support that's available when you actually need it. So, is Hostinger worth it in 2026? Yes, especially if you want fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly hosting that gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. It's one of the best choices for anyone starting a website or running a small to medium project on a budget. And if you want to grab Hostinger at the best possible price, don't forget, the discounted link is waiting in the description and in the pinned comment. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more hosting reviews, comparisons, and website building tips.